Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we will talk about two big tools for e-commerce marketing, Klaviyo and Omnisend. In present time, both of them are helping online stores to talk to customer and make more sales. In this video, I will show you how they work, what new things they have in nowadays, and I will help you to pick the best one for you. Also check the description below. I have added the official link of Klaviyo and Omnisend, and you will find some information if anything changes later. So let's start with the Klaviyo. Klaviyo helps you to send email, SMS and even allow pop-ups to your store visitors. It knows who opens, who buys and when. In this time, Klaviyo added better AI suggestion. That means it helps you to write subject line or message that catch attention. It also added improved segmentation. You can make little group of customers like based on what they looked at or what they bought. It is very smart and it helps to e-commerce owners to automate their message, and it helps to see a good growth. But on the other side, we have the Omnisend. Omnisend is more versatile. It does email, SMS, push notifications and chat, and it unifies all channels in one place. It also added live chat tools and some AI powered workflow. You can set up a welcome series, cart recovery message and even add surveys, all from one dashboard. It also has automation templates like drag and drop workflow you can build quickly. So if you want one tool to handle email, SMS, push notification and chat, Omnisend may be a good choice for you. Now let me compare them in simple terms. Klaviyo is very strong in email marketing with personalized message. It is smart and data driven, but it is mostly email focused and SMS too. But it has fewer channels than Omnisend. Omnisend covers more ways to talk to customer. Email, SMS, push notification, chat, all in one place. It gives you more choices and its automation builder is easy, especially for new user. In this time, if you have mostly email marketing and want deep personalization and need AI help on subject and content writing, Klaviyo is a strong choice for you. But if you want all-in-one in e-commerce marketing tool that cover multiple channels with easy automation, Omnisend is excellent. So I hope now you understand the difference between Klaviyo and Omnisend. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.